Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is on how to add your own lashes or to install your own lashes, your own individual lashes. That's the big capital letters, individual lashes, not just strip lashes. There are videos of how to add your strip lashes, but I do more of your individual lashes. If you would like to learn how to install your lashes, please stay tuned and watch the entire video. I'm a bit nervous, I don't know why, but I think that's because I'm on a run, I think. So stay tuned, like, comment and subscribe, and let's hear what you guys have to say about these lashes. I like them, but that's only because I'm used to them right now. So I tried installing just a few lashes, and then I'm just gonna continue with the tutorial and you can see how I do it. So this is the brand that I use. You can use any other brand. I got this for 20 Rand at your local cosmetics stores, so you can get it anywhere for the same price. I'm more of a 12-inch person because my eyes are big. Okay, so let's continue with this tutorial. I also used the Ardell eyelash glue. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take lashes and just continue. It's really self-explanatory, so I hope it all makes sense. I don't know if you can see it, but here's the lash. Okay, so what I did is I just poured just a bit of the lash glue on the surface that I can use, instead of just dipping in the product in the container oil, to avoid it drying up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start what I usually do is I just spread it across the eyelash and then with honeyki bear. So you're gonna have to be gentle and just take time with adding your lashes, because you don't want to end up injuring your eye with the glue, because it really burns, but it's not that extreme, but you'd rather be careful. So you're just gonna take your time and just dip. Okay, and then just gonna do this. Just spread it on the eyelash and then put it. So what I do is, I know that not a lot of people do it the same way I do, but I prefer doing it this way because for me it looks more natural and it gives that natural look. So I put it on the top, on my waterline. Is it waterline? Yeah, on the upper waterline. And I just allow it to dry a bit, and then I just move it wherever I want it to be, just so that it's away from where you blink, instead of it being it irritating you. Sorry, I'm just I'm out of breath. So what I like doing is like taking the tweezer and then just putting it through the lashes, right? Just hold it carefully not to poke yourself, through the lashes. And then from here where it's flat, you're going to try pressing the lashes with the strip lashes together, or with the individual lashes together. And then you're going to go on the other side. And press it together. And then you're just gonna go on this side now. Press your lashes together, press your lashes together, press your lashes together. And then you're gonna go from this side carefully and just press your lashes together. I hope you can see. So this is how your lashes are gonna look. This is the best way I can show how to do your lashes, because honestly I can't, for me, I feel like I can't explain it, but seeing it, then you'll be able to understand what it is that's happening and how it is that you can add your lashes. But remember to always think about hygiene first, and then second thing is go with your look till you're able to add a more dramatic look. And also, if you're a newbie, start with the shortest length of the lashes. You can start with an 8-inch, and then you can gradually go up to 10 and then to 12. So I don't know if there are, or there is 14-inch lash individual lashes. I would really love to find 14-inch individual lashes, because I just want a more dramatic look, because you know when you go out and then your lashes look just a bit more voluminous and nice. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more of these type of videos on how to actually do things on your own, or actually just save a few bucks, then do comment down below, like my video, and just subscribe and share it to people who would love to add their own lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys so much. I'm just gonna get back at it, and I'm just gonna hit the ground running. So I hope you guys are here with me so that we can grow together and recommend this channel to other people. So yeah, I love you guys, and bye.